Hey, what's up guys? Today we're gonna try this Portuguese dish called Bacalhau às Natas, which in English means codfish with heavy cream. So I learned this dish with my mom's best friend. She was born in Portugal, moved to Brazil, met my mom, and I learned this dish a couple years ago. And I would like to share with you guys my version of this dish. Hope you guys like it.
First, we need to get the potatoes cooked. Don't forget to add salt and water to help to preserve the potato flavors. At the same time, pre-cook the cod in water with no salt. Remember, most of codfish in grocery stores are salted. For this recipe, we use salted cod, and even before we start cooking, it has to be soaked in water for at least 6 hours. And the water has to be changed every hour and 30 minutes. It is perfect fine to use unsalted fresh cod, but make sure to season it properly with salt and black pepper. Both the cod and the potato take about 15 to 20 minutes to be cooked. As soon as they are done, drain the water and place it in different containers. Add some olive oil to a hot pot and saute some rough chopped onions until they get translucent. Then add some garlic. Even though cod is the main ingredient in the Bacalhau às Natas, olive oil is just as important. It's one of the bases of Portuguese cuisine, and we are going to be using a lot of it today. Add the cod to the onions and garlic and break it apart with a spoon. While doing this, add olive oil to the mixture. You're gonna notice that the cod's gonna be reduced in small chunks. Add salt and black pepper to taste. Mix over and over again and keep adding olive oil, which will maintain the moisture and add flavor to the mixture. Now it's time to add the potatoes. As you mix it, the potato is still being cooked with the other ingredients, and the consistency is going to resemble mashed potatoes. Add more salt and pepper. Keep mixing until everything comes together. And of course, don't forget to add more olive oil. Portuguese food is somehow underrated, and not many people know how unique and rich it is. It can be simple as this dish, but in my opinion, simplicity and great cooking walk side by side. As you can see, this is the consistency we were looking for. Now you can add the heavy cream. Mix it well until you get uniform. Once it's done, put the mixture in a baking sheet and spread it evenly. Add some fresh shredded Parmesan on top and place it in a preheated oven until it gets golden. This process will probably take a solid 15 minutes. Now it's time to enjoy it. My passion for cooking comes with sharing with people. Nothing is more rewarding than simply spend time with your friends and family, listening to their stories and passions while enjoying good food.